Hey guys, and welcome back to Trading at Home. And I know I look a little sus today, but this is a trading channel, not a beauty channel. Anyway, so what you see right here on the screen is my MT5 login details. Something is going to be brought up because it has nothing to do with you. But I just thought I'd give you guys an update on the 10K challenge that I'm taking from Trader Central. I've been doing it for about 7 days now. I just want to update you and show you how it's going, whether I'm winning, whether I'm losing, that whole deal. So as you can see, this up here is it's an email that I got when I bought the 10K challenge. It has my login details, passwords, everything. And then as you can see right here at the bottom, it has a little tracking UTL, UIFU, whatever, URL. It has a little bit of a tracking URL there, and it just takes me to my, okay, you'll see where it takes me. That's okay. So I'm just gonna click this, and it's gonna take me to all my stats for this trading account. So as you can see up here, I've only been trading this this for 8 days. So it's only been 8 days. This is my account ID, monthly drawdown. Okay, this is just so far. As you can see, I'm up $500.14. And as you can see right here, I'm up about $514.83. So currently it's only been 8 days since I've been trading this. And yeah, so just go down. So as you can see, my account has kind of gone through quite an evolution. We're doing quite well. We were kind of coming up. Then I kind of had a bit of a losing streak last week, I believe, last week. And you can see now we're back down. But then just today I took a really good trade on UJ, US dollar JPY, and that turned out quite well for me. So if we look on this side, this is just my own little trading journal that I have here, and you can see I started the account on the 25th of the 4th. Okay, I started off with a loss, then I had a 3% win, a little less than 1% loss, almost a 4% win, and then I kind of went through this losing streak where I lost about 3.78% literally in one go. Then I took another trade today. This is actually today's trade. I can even show you that. Here it is. This is a trade that I took today. Price came above this area. As you can see, it broke down, then broke above this area. I was looking for shorts at this area, but price broke through, so it was kind of just like whatever. Anyway, so price broke up, kind of respected this level, then gave me this entry candle. The MAs were also crossed for green, which means buy. And I just took a simple trade from this level to the top of that level for what, about 70 pips? Nothing crazy there. But I made all the profit that I lost. I was up about 1.81% before I made that 3.41%. So I was already up a little bit after this insane losing streak. Insane. But anyway, it's okay. So that's just the trade that I took today. So the account is going relatively fine. So far, we haven't had really much movements. If you look at it here, let me squish this up. Oopsie. So it's a little bit more obvious. You can see losing streak, back up again. Time will tell. But that's actually all we really have to talk about. We're doing good. So far we're up on the account about how much? 5%? Yeah, about 5.13%, right? Because if you do this, let me not put it there. If you do this, equal 10,000 divided by 10, no, I should do the other way. 513 divided by 10,000 is exactly 0.5%, 5.13%. That's how much we're up. So I'm about 3% more or less away. Actually, let me say 4%. I'm about 4% away from passing the challenge. So tomorrow's Friday, so I doubt any trades will come. But what I am looking for currently in the market is a break above this level and maybe taking it up to this red level here. So we'll see if price will give me that break or not. But that's essentially what I'm looking for next. Do I think I'm gonna get, reach the 8% mark? Yes, I do. I know, guys. Bad to have confidence like that. But I really do think that I can make the 8% before the end of this challenge. Don't quote me, but again, I always say this in almost all my videos. I'm in a much better place when it comes to my trading. I'm quite confident. I don't really pay too much attention to the dollar amount. I'm more focused on R's and percentages. And I've really improved. So I think 8% is kind of possible. So we'll see. Anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you'd like to see, you know, do I actually get this challenge or not? And just to keep up with my trading journey, road to trading with $600,000 one day, very soon, one day. But we start small, we start with 10K and we build our way up. But thank you guys again for being here, and I'll see you in the next video, which will be the account update video and probably a summary of May. Kind of did a little bit good for myself, but you'll see in the video. Probably going to be releasing that Friday or Saturday, between the two. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.